Okay. What else? Answer me one thing. Are you all bored? Okay. So answer me one thing. Here all our advanced machine that we have placed here, everywhere, right? So one common probe is there in every machine, that is RF. You can see RF is present in Hydra machine, it is present in diode, it is present in IPL, it is present in cavitation, it is present in oxygeno. Every machine has RF. Have you ever thought about this? Hmm? Yeah. You know, you can write it down, you can keep that thing in your mind that RF has the healing properties. It fight against the inflammation, right? Whenever we are using all these machines, be it diode, be it IPL, be it oxygeno, anything, Hydra also, we are extracting, we are exfoliating. In IPL, we are using the IPL probes, that is the heat energy, right? Heat is getting absorbed in the skin. We feel that hotness in the skin. So RF has the anti-inflammatory property, or RF has the healing property. So that is why after doing every treatment, you need to use RF probe, because we are irritating the skin in any other way, like we are exfoliating, extracting, giving the heat energy, we are peeling, anything we are using, we need to use RF probe, because once RF is placed, or once we are using the RF probe, we are giving it as a anti-inflammatory, right? Usually you got sick, you consult a doctor, you visit a clinic. What they suggest you, what they prescribe you? Anti-inflammatory drugs, right? If you are having the fever, what will they give you? Crocin, Ibugesic, what else? Dolo, etc. Right? Now, you are already irritating your patient's skin by using the various probe. So you need to use RF after using any of these probes or any of these machines. So your client will have the soothing, or they will feel relaxed or calm. Now I am using the rice water gel. What are the properties of rice water? We just have learned in the PPT. Rice water, come on, tell me. Arey, rice water toners, right now trending in the market. You all are using it. Loose skin tight करता है. What else? Skin whitening and brightening is one of the thing that rice water may have, or one of the benefit. So what else? Rice water has the anti-inflammatory property just like the RF. If you don't have RF, if you don't have Hydra, you can use this rice water gel. This has the anti-inflammatory property. This gives you brightening, whitening, anti-inflammation, right?